Michael Flynn's long legal saga could soon be over because of an order from a panel of the Washington, D.C. Appeals Court. By a 2-to-1 vote, a ruling written by Trump appointee Naomi Rao, the court said decisions about whether to prosecute are the Justice Department's alone and cannot be second-guessed by a judge unless there's evidence the government intends to trick the defendant by dropping charges and refiling them. So the court said Judge Emmet Sullivan must grant the government's motion to dismiss the charges against Flynn.
I'm very happy about General Flynn. He was treated horribly.
Flynn himself talked briefly with Rush Limbaugh.
We are so happy with the decision, not only for our family, but for our country.
He was one of the first people to be prosecuted by Robert Mueller's special counsel team and twice pleaded guilty to lying to the FBI about his conversations with Russia's ambassador to the U.S. But last month, the Justice Department moved to dismiss the case. Attorney General William Barr concluded that the FBI had no legitimate reason to question Flynn in the first place. Despite today's ruling, Flynn is not completely in the clear.
The case may be over. It looks that way, but the full Court of Appeals may decide to take a second look.
Also today, House Democrats questioned the handling of the prosecution of Roger Stone, a former Trump campaign aide. Career prosecutors resigned from the case after Barr directed them to seek a more lenient sentence. One of those lawyers said a supervisor told him it was the result of political pressure.
The Department of Justice treated Roger Stone differently from everyone else, and I was told that the department cut Roger Stone a break because of his relationship to the president.
A spokesman for Barr says he thought the original sentence recommendation was too harsh and noted that the judge's sentence was more in line with his thinking of what was appropriate. Barr agreed today to appear before the House Judiciary Committee in late July to answer questions about whether he has exerted undue political influence.